In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to retrieve your lost file in AutoCAD. I'm Miracle Okeke Richard. Welcome to SamGoz Engineering, and here I help you develop the required skills and enhance your knowledge to elevate your engineering career. So if this is what you want, you can quickly subscribe. So most of us must have encountered the problem where they lost a file in AutoCAD due to one issue or the other. First, if you want to retrieve that file, we'll first of all go to option. So we can either type OP, enter, or let's wait for it to appear, or we'll click here. Once you click here, we'll click on option. So once the dialog box appear, you click on file. Once you click on file, you scroll down, you locate a place that you locate temporary drawing file location. So this is a place where your drawings are saved temporary. So we click on this button. So this is a directory where we can get our lost file. We just click on it. We click on Ctrl C. That's to copy it. Then we'll paste it. Then we'll click on enter. This will open up the place where our files are. So once this directory opens, I'll now locate my lost file. I'll locate it by their name. So let me look for one. So I can see one. So this is it, Mr. Sammy's residence. So if you can see now, it ends with BAK. BAK is just a backup file of our DWG file. So I'll just right click, I'll copy it and paste it on my desktop, and then I'll come here and minimize. I'll now do Ctrl V. So once I do Ctrl V, it will appear here. So you can see it. So this is the file. But if you can see, it ends with BAK. So if you click on it, it won't open. If you click on it, it won't open. So don't bother trying or opening it. So what you just do is you right click, then you now rename. Here that ends with BAK, you change it to DWG. You change it to DWG. So you now click on yes. So if you can see now, it's not an AutoCAD file. Then we'll now click on it. We'll now allow it to open. We allow it to open. So as you can see now, we are now able to recover our file. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our channel.